Only 5 minutes needed. Sales Navigator, sales lead scrapping, 2500 profile scrapping. I will show you now. Okay, browser automation studio. Sorry, yeah. Then this is the right file. Yeah, I changed the file name just a little bit, like that. Video. Okay, তাহলে নতুন ফাইলে আমরা সব ডেটা পাবো। Okay, now create this program by browser automation studio. Now set variable. Oh, first of all I will go the sales navigator, LinkedIn. Sales navigator, take lead search like HN. Okay, then geographical search include UK, United Kingdom. Okay, how many? 600, 2000. Okay, I will change this for seniority level. Owner and partner will be how much? 38K. Okay, experience manager, it's 27K. I need more little bit. Okay, so I will go search current job title, program, current bio, role, function. Okay, just owner and partner, search by industry. Okay, industry, utilities. Okay, now how much? Oh, it's very little. Okay, construction, 1K, technology and information, 1.5K, JSON 100K, এটা বাড়েনি, financial service, yeah, 2.5K. I need like that result. Because of that I will when I were struck data 2500 profile, not more than at a time. So inspect, going to the, yeah, inspect. Okay, first of all inspect, network tab. Okay, I will show, just wait. Yeah, I will go next page, then it will be more data will come. Yeah, and now we are finding the our REST API, sales lead, sales Lego, sales API. This is our right choice. The link. Okay, receive the URL again. Okay, take time, 5 minutes. Copy the URL and paste it your browser at automation studio. Set variable main URL. This portion will put this one. Okay, yeah, now we change here one variable like the page number, because of that at a time we are page by page pagination needed. So this count here make change, insert variable page number, yeah, this is the page number. Okay, and another change we need, get here, headers. We have got these headers like there, request header, yeah, request header, raw file included. Okay, cache, host will take this later, host, not get take. Just host type of you take is related. Okay, now we are post there first. Okay, now our program is ready. Now we can start. Yeah, project save, run it, start. Now we show the log how much data will come. Yeah, data will be running, keep rolling. Now you will see the how long it will be take, how much data will be get it for the this scrapping link. The scrapping says Navigator scrapping. I think 2500 profile only 3 and 4 minutes it will be take. Then it will be we will be scrap 2500 data sales navigator. If you want more, no problem, you will be create more search area like that, list of profile 2500, not more than. Because of that, LinkedIn doesn't allow 100 page, then not over scrapping, and one page will be 25 profiles, so 100 page will be get you 2500 profile. Okay, now our program is running, our log will be going fast, show. So one page, one click, meaning 1 second, one page will stuck stuck data, profile data. So wait for the until the program is closed. I think it not more take 2 and 3 minutes. Then we'll show the data, what type of data will collect, and how it will be work in our everywhere. Okay, just it will be running good. Yeah, yeah. Keep rolling. Yeah, every time you will be log, you will see the log. Log data will be changed. Kathy Higgins, Ashley Hunts, okay, Elisha Homas, Mitchell Kopal. It's changing every time. Okay, yeah. When it will be stopped, then we will be show the data point. Okay. All of viewers, please stay with me and see the very good and very exclusive style struck by API calling, REST API calling, HTTP request. We use this data extraction, and it is the fast way to stack data. If you want to stack data any website, any site, you will first try to the API calling, then you will try to the other stacks. Because of that, API is the most powerful system, and it will be running fast. Okay, our data will be at now also changing. It will be working. Take more data, you will be find. Yeah, it's going fast. Yeah, it's running also. I think 2500 profile. If you other system like that, expert query or something else, but not take the actual API calling. API will give you more data at time. So always looking for API calling, how we will stack any website, any data. So first of all, you will check the website will be allowed to you give API, and then you will stack this data. If they will not allow in API, then you will be to others style. Okay, our data will be, you will saw the data point log. It will be working still, and it will be take more data collect. Yeah, now it will be, I think, not moving. So I think we are stuck our 2500 profile. Just see that, stop the uh, program. Okay, we will go to the script mode and see the what happened our profile stacking in write file. Okay, I will do write file. Where is write file? Yeah, this is write file. Okay, now we'll copy this file link, then paste there, and see the what's happened going on our stacking project. Yeah, it will be take that data. Okay, how much data we will got. Uh, yeah, like 2475. That's mean that we are going to another page loss. So for this 25 profile is not getting. Okay, and I will see the what type of data will collected. Okay. Okay. This is full name Mohammad Riaz Munna, Mohammad Riaz Munawar, HR manager. Okay. This is his profile ID. Okay, I will check the profile. Yeah, here. What type of data I will get? Mohammad Riaz Monwar. Yeah. তারপর যে বৃন্দা sextus. Okay, I will check the second profile is Brinda Sextus. Okay. Yeah, Brinda Sextus. Brinda Sextus. Brinda is first name. Sextus is branch manager. This is profile number. Okay. This is geolocation, and this is his talent. Like that, his post. Bogust UK, ICC Bank UK, ARX character, Confero Limited. Okay, you will be check this Boygas UK, ICC Bank UK. Every data is matching. Yeah, very good. Where collected data is very especially this is people unique ID. You know, it's a unique ID. Okay, also this one is geo region, like which area he will work or stay. London, England, United Kingdom, London, United Kingdom, Calcutta, Malta. Okay, England, United Kingdom. Okay, and this also we are matching this. Yeah, United Kingdom. Everything is matching. Okay, now what type of more data will be collect. Okay, so here how much he experienced, 4 years, 3 months, 1 year, 3 months. Also matching this one, 4 years, 3 months. Yeah, everything is matching. Okay, now this another things. Which type of company he will work? Construction, banking. First people is working construction, will match this one. London, United Extreme. Yeah, HR manager experience. The description here. Which type of working company? London, England, England. Yeah, everything is fine. Okay. Construction you will work. So another data, this also location. Now this company experience. This is the link, it's called sales navigator link. Every profile. Also we got the another link, this called LinkedIn. LinkedIn main URL link. Okay, I will sales lead. Okay, just change this. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay, now we'll just HTTP this one link, this. Okay, we take this both link. Okay, and now we are finding. Okay, make our sales lead URL. Also, we make it for company normal URL link. This just will check this link what going on. This link. Okay, we are going another page. Okay, now we will show the the link will got Mohammad Riaz Munar. Okay, everything will be working fine. Okay, that's all our quick session and LinkedIn scrapping, sales navigator scrapping. Everyone, thanks to watch this video, and also you need some more information, please subscribe our channel and stay with us. Thank you all.